Hey everybody, this is Rob again, and as you can see in my package, or my hand, I have another package. This package is from Mr. Anthony B. Tran, or Anthony Tran, as most people know from, yeah, very popular person. He's always on the um, meetups and everything else, and PLC. You see him all the time. So, the other day, he asked me if I wanted to have a little sample box sent. And it's kind of right here. If I can figure out how to get it open. It just arrived today, so I thought, well, let's do a mailbox opening, or a mail package opening. And yes, it's giving me a hard time, as everything always does. Well, actually, this one's not going so bad. Come on. There we go. Oh, note in here. Grab my ugly glasses, of course. It says, Rob, I hope you enjoy the small assortment of peppers. Peppers are still growing in, so I was only able to send one small. Okay, cool. Pepper list is Peking, Bohemian Goat, Buchalokia, a red ghost. Oh, there's a Reaper in here too. And so he says Carolina Reaper and the King Star Lemon Starburst. And Anthony. Cool. Oh my. Oh, those Pekins are even smaller than I thought they were going to be. I mean, look at the size of that. That's like pea size. Cool. I haven't actually seen one in person. So, yeah. Red Ghost. Oh, yeah. These I've been waiting to see and waiting to try the King Star Lemon Starburst. These are looking just wonderful. Oh yeah, look at that one. Cool shape on it. Oh yeah. Definitely like that style of pepper. And, whoops, got a Peking in there too. Big old Bohemian Goat. Bunch of those in here, various sizes. And Bohemian Goats, yeah, I really like those too, especially in powder form. But yeah, but these Pekins are the real interesting ones. I don't know how hot these are, but you would think that as small as they are, they're not going to be all that hot, but we shall find out, won't we? So there's a picture of the inside, and I like the idea of the stuffing in here. They all look like they arrived in perfect conditions. There's another red ghost. I wonder if that's a Reaper. Because he wrote in here a Carolina Reaper, and this is the only other red one. But, oh, there's even a real small tail on it. Isn't that cool? So, yeah. Nice quick unboxing here. Show everybody what I got. You can see there's a whole bunch of peppers in here. And, oh, man. Yeah, if this is a small box, then cool. Alright, well, I think I've shown pretty much everything that's in here. I mean, these goats are just huge. And the ghost. And another ghost. Those are huge. And a smaller ghost. You know, these things scare me. I know we had the peach one the other day. That was hot enough. So over the next couple days we'll be doing some taste tests on these, and yeah, they're all looking wonderful. So Anthony, they arrived in perfect shape. Looks perfect to me. And I want to thank you very much, Anthony. I appreciate it very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Alrighty, with that said, I'm going to take and cut this out. I always like to get packages like this in the mail. So again, thank you, Anthony. Thank you. If you like the video, you know, the like button down below and everything else. Leave a comment. I usually get back to people within a day or so. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.